3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
To resolve issues with the Instagram app not opening on your iPhone running iOS 18, follow these steps. Begin by navigating to your iPhone settings and selecting General. Within this menu, locate and tap iPhone storage to a list of all installed apps. Find Instagram, tap on it, and then choose Offload App. Confirm the action, and once the app is offloaded, select Reinstall App. This process refreshes the app, which often resolves minor glitches. If the issue persists, enable airplane mode by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen to access the control center and tapping the airplane icon. Wait a few seconds before disabling it to refresh your network connection. Ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data and try launching Instagram again. If the problem remains, switch your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data or vice versa and attempt to reopen Instagram. Following these steps should resolve most issues with Instagram not opening on eye opening.